Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 18th of November 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 18th of November 2021. Our first question is, in November 2021, which of the following state government has launched a road safety initiative Rakshak? Answer is option number 4, Odisha. Recently, the Chief Minister of Odisha, Navin Patnaik, has launched a road safety initiative called Rakshak in Odisha. It is the first state level program in the country where nearly 30,000 volunteers staying or working at the eateries or different business establishment located near accident probe spots will be trained as first responders to road accidents. So answer will be option number 4, Odisha. Next, PM Narendra Modi or Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has recently inaugurated India's first world-class railway station in Habibganj in Dash. Answer is option number 3, Bhopal. Recently, the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has inaugurated India's first world-class railway station at Habibganj in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh on November 15, 2021. Habibganj railway station will have all facilities which are available at international airports, and it has been built by a private company named Bansal Group under the public-private partnership. So answer will be option number 3, Bhopal. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau? What is Narcotics Control Bureau? Narcotics Control Bureau is an Indian central law enforcement and intelligence agency under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and it is tasked with combating drug trafficking and the use of illegal substances under the provisions of Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. It was founded on 17th of March 1986. Headquarters is located in New Delhi, and recently Satya Narayan Pradhan has been appointed as the Director General of this Narcotics Control Bureau. Satya Narayan Pradhan is an IPS officer from 1988 batch. So answer will be option number 4. Next, Exercise Shakti 2021, which has been recently organized between November 12 to 21st, 2021, is a military exercise between armies of India and Dash. Answer is option number 2, France. Exercise Shakti is an bilateral exercise between armies of India and France. It is held between Army of India and France with the aim of enhancing the defense understanding and to promote the cooperation between the troops of the armies. It was first organized in 2011 in Uttarakhand, and in 2021 it has been organized between November 12 to 21st in France. So answer will be option number 2, France. Next question, which of the following day is celebrated as World Diabetes Day? Answer is option number 2, 14th November. Diabetes is an metabolic disease that causes high blood sugar. The hormone insulin moves sugar from blood into your cells to be stored or used for energy. With diabetes, one's body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it does make, and every year 14th November is celebrated as World Diabetes Day to mark the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting, who discovered the insulin hormone along with Charles Herbert Best in 1922, and in 2021 this day has been celebrated under the theme Access to Diabetes Care, if not now, when? Answer will be option number 2. Next, IQ Air has recently released the list of most polluted cities. How many Indian cities are included in the top 10 of this list? Answer is option number 3. Recently, IQ Air. What is IQ Air? IQ Air is a Swiss air quality technology company specializing in the protection against airborne pollutants, developing air quality monitoring and air cleaning products. It was founded in 1963, and recently this IQ Air has published the list of most polluted cities in the world, and in the top 10 of this list 3 Indian cities are included. They are Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. Delhi stands at first number, Mumbai is at fourth number, and Kolkata stands at 6th number in the top 10 list. So answer will be option number 3. Next, Vivek Sagar Prasad is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 2, hockey. Look at the image. This is Vivek Sagar Prasad. He is an Indian field hockey player who plays as a midfielder for the Indian national team, and he has been seen in news recently because he has been named as the captain of Indian team in the Junior Men's Hockey World Cup 2021, which is scheduled to begin in Bhubaneswar, Odisha from November 24. So answer will be option number 2, hockey. Next, which of the following state has recently celebrated its Foundation Day on 15th of November 2021? Answer is option number 3, Jharkhand. Jharkhand was formed after the Indian Parliament passed the Bihar Reorganization Act in 2000, and Jharkhand was carved out of Bihar on November 15, 2000, and recently on November 15, 2021, Jharkhand has celebrated its Foundation Day. So answer will be option number 3, Jharkhand. Next question, Akshay Karnwar is associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 1, cricket. Look at me, this is Akshay Karnwar. He is an Indian cricketer who plays for Vidarbh in the domestic cricket. The Vidarbh cricket team is an Indian domestic cricket team which plays in Indian domestic first class cricket competition, that is Ranji Trophy, Vijay Hazare Trophy and Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. It represents the Vidarbh region of the Eastern Maharashtra, and Akshay Karnwar is an Indian cricketer who plays for Vidarbh. And Akshay Karnwar has recently created a new record in T20 cricket while playing against Manipur in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. He has become the first player in T20 to bowl 4 maiden overs in a match conceding 0 runs in the full quota or full spell. So answer will be option number 1. Akshay Karnwar is associated with cricket. Next, Wangla festival is celebrated in which of the following state? Answer is option number 2, Meghalaya. Wangla festival, also known as 100 Drum Festival, is celebrated in Meghalaya every year. It is the most important and post-harvest festival of Garo tribe in Meghalaya. So answer will be option number 2, Meghalaya. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Tolerance? Answer is option number 3, 16th November. Every year, the International Day of Tolerance is celebrated on November 16th. The day is celebrated to create public awareness about the dangers of intolerance. It was first celebrated in 1995. It is marked by the UNESCO and several other international organizations, and it encourages and promotes the fact that tolerance is universal human right. So answer will be option number 3, 16th November. Next question, ICC T20 World Cup in 2022 will be organized in dash. Answer is option number 4, Australia. As announced by the ICC or International Cricket Council, ICC Men's T20 World Cup in 2022 will be organized in Australia from October 16 to November 13, 2022. Answer will be option number 4. Next, who among the following has been recently appointed as the new Rajya Sabha Secretary General? Answer is option number 2, PC Modi. PC Modi or Pramod Chandra Modi, who is an IRS officer from 1982 batch, has been recently appointed as the new Secretary General of Rajya Sabha. He is also the former chairman of Central Board of Direct Tax. So answer will be option number 2. PC Modi has been appointed as the new Secretary General of Rajya Sabha, replacing Dr. PPK Ramcharilu. Next, which of the following day has been celebrated as Public Service Broadcasting Day in India? Answer is option number 2, 12th November. Every year, 12th November is celebrated as Public Service Broadcasting Day in India. It commemorates the first and last visit of the father of nation Mahatma Gandhi to the station of All India Radio, Delhi in 1947. In 1947, in the studio of All India Radio in 1947, he had addressed the displaced people who had temporarily settled at Kurukshetra in Haryana after partition, and this day was officially declared as Public Service Broadcasting Day in India in 2001. So answer will be option number 1, 12th November. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as National Press Day in India? Answer is option number 3, 16th November, and it marks the presence of an independent and responsible press in India. This day is aimed at highlighting the importance of an independent press in a democracy. So answer will be option number 3, 16th November. Now answer of the question which was asked in the last video. Question was, what is India's rank in recently released Global Food Security Index 2021? Answer is option number 1, 71st. India ranks at 71st in the recently released Global Food Security Index 2021. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Sports Journalist Day? Options are 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July and 4th July. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.